Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can perform the deep milk cleaning in the Saeco Gran Aroma Deluxe. And first let's open the status. Then go to the performance. Select the deep milk clean and click on start. Now we have to refill and replace the water tank. Pour 1 sachet of milk circuit cleaner in the milk carafe and fill with the water. Now connect the milk tube and place a container under the coffee spout. If you are ready, click on the start, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.